Hey everybody, this is just a quick start guide on what to do to find pictures for your humanitarian project. The first thing you're going to need to do is create a folder that you can store all of your pictures in. So you're going to go up here to the top to the Finder menu and you're going to go to File and New Folder. And then the new folder will appear somewhere on your desktop. I need to move mine over where you can see it. And you click on that and you want to change the name of that folder right away to your name. So if my name were George, I would put George's Pics. Okay? You need to make sure that your name is on that folder. You can't just put my pics or my pictures or pictures. You need to have your name on it. Once you have that folder, when you find your pictures, that's where you're going to put all of the pictures for your project. Pixabay is one of the websites that you can go to, and the pictures on Pixabay are copyright free. They're public domain. That means you can use them, and we are going to use Pixabay as one of our sources to cite, but you don't have to cite the picture in any particular way. So I'm going to do a search. Let's say my humanitarian is George Washington. So I do a search and I find pictures of George Washington. Now, if I find a picture I want to keep, which I think I'm going to keep this Mount Rushmore picture, you want to click on the picture first. So it's at the full size. And then all you have to do is click on the picture and drag it to your desktop. Now, things are going to be much easier when it comes to organizing your project if you change the name of the picture to where you're going to place it in your project. So I would change this. I'm going to put this on my first thing to pick 1. And then when I go into my picture folder, I know that this is the picture I'm going to use for the first slide of my presentation. When I've done that and I'm ready, I just slide that into my folder, and there it is for me to keep. If you cannot find any pictures on Pixabay or public domain or the other websites that I've given you, and you have no choice but to go to Google, that's fine. But if you find a picture on Google, then you're going to have to cite your source. So if I do a search on Google, and I find a picture I want, I need to click on the picture, and then I need to click again over here where it says View Original Image. Once you click there, this is the website that you need to use to cite your picture. So I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to have to paste that into a document. Now, I know you guys are using LibreOffice. I only have Microsoft Word on this computer, but it's the same concept. So I'm going to open my writing program. Get a new project and paste that into my paper. And then I'm going to write on here what picture goes with that website. So if someone's looking at my project and they want to know exactly where I got that picture from, they can see that I got it from that website. After you find all of your pictures and you list all of your sources, and again, even if you haven't used something from Google, we're still going to cite Pixabay. If you use Pixabay or public domain pictures.net, then all you're going to do, actually, you know what, I'm going to title this first, is you're going to take a screenshot. So you hit Command, Shift, and 3, and you take a screenshot of your sources page, and then you can quit your document program. You should save it. I'm not going to, but you should, just in case something happens. And then you're going to open up your screenshot in preview, and then you're going to crop it So you're going to get rid of all this extra stuff up here, and you're just going to pick the part that has your sources, and then you go up here to Tools and Crop, and then you go to File and Export. I'm going to export to my desktop, and I'm going to change this to, remember my name is George, George's Sources. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to quit preview. And it did not save that title correctly, so that's all right. I'm just going to go in and fix it this way. George's, can't spell, sources, perfectly done. And then I'm going to put that in my picture folder, and if you can finish that in the next few days, then you'll have all your pictures in your folder, and all we'll have to do is put them from your folder into your project. So I hope this helps out a lot. Sorry I couldn't be there today, and good luck finding all your pictures.